Get you a glizzy, Alex.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Tomorrow, so you're
I'll get one.
You're ordering glizzies, right?
Your man's gotta eat. Shut up. Chill.
So what did we notice, Alex? What happened?
Fat people with no money. What is this? What is this? Mexico? Fuck.
And on today's episode of SSC, Alex teaches us how to speak Italian.
Yeah, linguini, yeah.
Alex, give us like the 5 go-tos to how to be Mexican.
How to be Mexican? No, you gotta wear the pointed boots, fat ass belt buckle, a fat ass hat with the, the retarded line shirt that you have to tuck in, and then you bring your bottle of Centenario, and then you put on the fucking.
So is there any type of music you have to listen to on the daily? Like,
yes.
It doesn't matter where you're at, you're listening to it.
If you don't, the first song of the day, you don't put 500 balazos, then you're not fucking being, bro. You're not fucking being. It's only a 5-7.
Chocolate cake. Should I get the killer chocolate cake or the Mr. Finch homemade brownies?
Whatever your fat ass want.
You fat bitch.
Are you body shaming, bitch? Hey.
Shut up. So are you body shaming?
I don't know, man. Mr. Finch kind of sounds sketchy, bro.
What? Good game.
Hey, he got a stiff ass back.
You seen in his dance videos,
that man's got a pimple back. If I smack it any harder, go. Fun fact for you. I just found out that concrete.
There you go.
I just found out that concrete and cement are not the same thing.
Sponsored by Whoop Ass. Who are we sponsored by?
Whoop ass. Because the only thing that's whooping your ass is your mom.
Oh shit. They got Morrow back there? They got Morrow. I was looking for you too. I was like, damn, they got you back there.
But we hang out too much.
This isn't gonna work. Here.
What's the point of the mask?
Did you say soccer?
I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about him.
Wait, so who's Sokka?
You?
Boomerang! You do always come back!
Sokka? So Zay has this thing of always handing me the camera, and I'm not really sure what I should be recording right now. I guess I'll record myself eating this burger as best as possible. If you guys haven't checked out, you guys should come to Stratz. They have and I don't know if the battery's about to die or not. I tried turning it off, but it doesn't want to turn off.
Who's on air? That's awesome. That's dope.
So how do you set up how are your lights set up? Like how do you put on your hazards? They're off a switch.
Hazards are on a switch. I gotta make a switch panel.
You're not gonna just buy like a switch panel off Amazon?
Oh, I mean, I will. Yeah, I will. The way I made it.
How long did it take you to get this running and like get it finished to where it's right here?
Year and a half. Way too long. You know. Project car is a project car for a reason, right?
Yeah.
Now I just have this. It's all bunk. Like, it's all fucked. I mean,
but like the floor pans look pretty decent unless you fixed those. Or was it?
This one was stock. Nothing's wrong with it. This one I had to redo because there was a hole in the fucking floor.
I see it.
So I had to. Yes. It's not tuned yet.
That food good? Muy caliente. Muy caliente.
Mwah!
How's that food, boy?
What?
How's that food?
Got my face, nigga. I'm eating.
Can I get a fry, please?
Get the fuck out of the gay shit, nigga. I ain't doing that. Alright. You gonna do it for the night? That fuel loud as hell. So you giving gap, huh? it. Oh.
No, it's not.
Damn.
Yo, what?
All right, me and Alex are on an adventure.
Oh, gross.
Oh man. Hey, sit on that really quick.
Sit on what?
Sit on that.
Don't be fuck.
Huh?
Have a seat.
She mad annoyed at everything. Look at it.
Hell yeah.
That could be you, Orlando.
Grab some wings. Yeah, that was terrible for us. Hey, fat patty. That's more grip on these.
Damn, this is right.
Yeah, we established.
Can you see the?
I'm gonna tell you, I'm not gonna do that.
Look.
Wait, hold on, bro. I'll catch you.
No, you will not.
With one hand, I will catch you.
Oh, I'm definitely not running this shit.
Come on.
Xavier. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, man. Hey, look, I'm trying to avoid
Hey, y'all gonna fuck up that board. You know, his little sister might come on. He wanna be yo dumbass, and yo dumbass. That's why you almost busted your shit, dumb bitch.
Get his stitches back on his knee, bro.
You're the only one saying no.
Nigga, you're a young adult. You have kids. You will pay a mortgage bill.
Keep going.
Hey, let me get a kiss, bro.
Oh shit! Shut up, bitch!